is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I'm going to try something a little different yet again. I'm going to make some more bread. Yep, bread. Not just any kind of bread. But in the way that last time I made the dough and then I put it in the fish mold and then baked it in the oven, this time I'm making the dough and then I'm going to stuff it with this. I'm also thinking of adding an egg inside, but I'm gonna bake it in the oven in a regular loaf pan. Loaf. All right, let's get to it. Well, here we are. I've never done this before. Generally when I do bread things, there are things I've never done before, and this is one of them. Looks like it kind of opened up a little bit on that side, but I don't know. Let's pop it out. Doesn't look too bad. Let's cut her open. Ooh. Maybe it needs a little more time to cool down. I don't know. As you can see, it looks like bread, and then there's noodles inside of it. I kind of thought the noodles would have maybe bubbled up or done a little more, but yeah, look at that. That's kind of weird. Let's give it a try. Cheers. So the filling is definitely where the steam's coming from. It's really, really hot still. The bread itself is nice and light. Came out really well. So what do I do with this stuff? I've got an idea. And here we are. We've got the stuffed bread. We have spring onion, fried egg, sesame seed, a little bit of mayo, and a little bit of bachan Japanese barbecue sauce on top. Let's give it a try. I toasted it very lightly. This bread really came out very light and wonderful. Wanted to get just the right amount of going on with it. That works. Let's try the side with the chow mein. Chow mein, a little bit of egg, a little bit of the drippy. That's viciously good. I'm telling you, it's good. It's really good. So yeah, that's a win. I think I'm going to do more of these stuffed breads. I don't know. I might do a little bit more with the dough, like season it more, maybe put a little bit of stuff in there, maybe like a bunch of sesame seed, make the dough look a little different, and maybe have more of its own flavor, because this is basically just like white bread with noodles stuffed in the middle of it. But I think this is a possibility. I think this might go somewhere. Maybe I could even roll it. I don't know. But anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Make some bread. Have a good one. Bye-bye.